Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about the two things, unemployment, and the second thing is don't try to become perfect. Don't try to become perfect in others' eyes. So the first topic is unemployment. The main reason for unemployment is degree. I have seen lots of people in my surroundings who have zero degree, but they are living their well life. They are living a standard life. While the same time I have seen many people I have seen many students who are struggling their life. They have lots of degree. The problem is here that they search those type of job which are related to that particular degree. In my point of view, degree also restrict the thought of a people. In my point of view, again I am focusing this line, the degree restrict the thought of a people, because there is the word dignity in the mind of the student and this parent. कि what will others say if someone has completed the degree of doctorate, if someone has completed the degree of MBA, how he will able to do the other work. In my point of view, try to focus on this line. In my point of view, a piece of paper could not help you to earn good livelihood. A piece of paper could not help you to earn good livelihood. Thank you. The second topic is don't try to become good in others' eyes, because I will try to explain this line with a simple example. Take the example of a policeman. A policeman is good for the citizen because he gives service to the citizens. They give protection to the citizens first, while the same police is bad for the criminals because they give punishment to the criminals. Take the example of criminals. Criminals do mischievous work for their family, but the same criminal is bad for those with whom they are doing the mischievous work. The same thing apply with you. Your work might satisfy someone, your work might hurt someone. This is the not good word, hurt. Your work might make someone happy, while at the same time your work might don't able to make someone happy. So don't focus on those who are not getting satisfied with you, because in society there are lots of peoples and every people have different types of expectation from you. Is it possible to make everyone satisfied? No. Then don't try to become perfect in others' eyes. What you are, live as you are. Thank you.